Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SetCAD tutorial how to add text. So if you want to add text, you can click these text icons on annotation. And then I will click at this point for the first point. The next for text height, I will set into 15, press enter. For the angle, set 0 and then you can press enter again. Now you can type, like I will set into move fast to CAD. Click outside and then press escape button to close from this command. So you can create again text object by using this text icon. I will click at this point. For height I will set into 5, enter. And then for angle I will set into 0, enter again. You can type text, click a sample. Click outside and then press escape button to close. If you want to edit this text height, you can select and then go to properties tab, change it for height, like I will set into 10 and the text height will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for a basic SetCAD tutorial how to add text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.